Welcome to the exercise of the week. Today we want to review one of the best postural stretches that you can do. So what we do see coming into the office a lot is what we call this zigzag posture. We have the lower back pushing forward, the rib cage coming back, head forward, probably from sitting at a computer all day long. This creates a lot of tension in the neck and shoulders, so that could cause headaches, neck pain, middle back pain, all kinds of symptoms. So what we want to do is use a yoga block. So what you're going to do is put that right between your shoulder blades. You're going to go up right against the wall, just standing, just to enough pressure to hold that yoga block in place. First thing you're going to do is bring basically your butt touching the wall, which is going to push that rib cage forward. Then from there, you want to open up your hands and bring your arms all the way back, trying to touch the wall as your head comes back. You want to hold that posture for about 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. Ideally, repeating that for 2 sets. So again, you could do that, in between breaks throughout the day, or you could do it like I tell my kids, before or after playing video games. So hopefully this exercise of the week can help you feel better for longer.